Alright y'all, so I'm out here with the Snaptain SP310. This little guy here looks like a little phantom. So we're gonna test this thing out, see how it flies and all. I'm gonna try this feature that it has where you can toss it and it'll start flying, and we're gonna check out the rates and all. We're gonna see it do some flips. It does 3D flips, and we're gonna see if it can handle this wind out here. We have a wind, a little bit of a wind. Hopefully we can put it in third rate and it should be able to handle the wind. We're gonna test headless mode, and it has a 1 key to take off and 1 key landing. I guess we're gonna try the landing and then we're gonna try to take off again. But first we're gonna take off by tossing this thing. I did do a test with this thing indoors. It doesn't have telemetry, so the transmitter doesn't alarm when the battery gets low on this drone like the other one did. But I guess we're trading that for this toss to fly feature. There's an on and off switch here on the side. We're gonna take off from right here too. No, actually we're supposed to be tossing this thing to take off. So we have to go up and down on the transmitter to get it to bind. Now let's toss this thing in the air. We're gonna switch it to its highest speed in case we have to fight this wind. So let's toss it. I'm gonna hold this out so you can see that I'm not doing anything with this. So let's go. And it did take off. And we're in its highest rate and it is handling the wind. Pretty nice fly, it seems like so far. Oh yeah, I'm liking this thing already. On its highest rate, it has a pretty decent pitch, so it can build up some speed and get going real quick. It's fighting this wind with no problem. So we're in high rates, so let's check out some funnels. So we really can't do funnels that all that great with the wind here. The wind's trying to take it away from me. So let's try to bring it down. It's up a little high. Okay, this is a perfect opportunity to test this 1 key to land and then the 1 key to take off. So I'm going to hit the button to make it land, and you can control it while it's landing. Check it out. And it flipped over. Indoors when I tried it in much calmer conditions, it did land a soft landing and it didn't flip over. So let's hit the 1 key to take off, and it took off. We're still in its highest rate. We're not going to be able to look at the low rates or the mid rate because we have some wind out here. But as you can see, this thing is a nice outdoor flyer, even in some wind, because this thing is handling the wind. That's with the wind. This is against the wind here. Bring it down, it's starting to climb on me. Oh, almost ran into those little shelves over there. So I'm liking the way it's flying. Let's try a 3D flip with it. Okay, so it did a flip to the right, a front flip, and it's trying to go over the fence on me. Another front flip. Let's do a backwards flip. I wonder if this thing will flip while it's moving forward. Let's see. We're gonna go with the wind on this one. Yep, it did a barrel roll. So this is a pretty nice flyer, guys. The SP310 from Snaptain. This thing is performing pretty nice out here in some wind. Fighting the wind. The wind is trying to blow me towards the construction yard now. has a little spotlight on the front of it. That wind is starting to pick up. Bring it down low. Yeah, this thing has no problem in wind. I was up high, and you guys know when you're up high when it's windy, there's even more wind, and this thing didn't have a problem with it. Oh, we can try the headless mode now. Let's see what kind of headless mode this thing has. I'm guessing it's a headless mode that activates when you first plug it in or power it on. But let's try it. We're in headless mode now. Yep. We're coming out of headless mode because I don't know what the heck the heading is. So the heading starts when this thing is first plugged in, and I guessed it because I tried it indoors and I was having a problem with remembering which way I had it facing. So this little guy, it remembers the direction that it's facing when you first power it on. So when you hit that power on switch, whichever direction it's facing, then that's going to become your heading throughout the flight. So yeah, you can have some fun out here with this thing. So I'm guessing with this speed that it has out here, I'm guessing indoors you're probably going to want to fly this thing on medium rates or maybe low rates. I really don't like low rates on any quad because it seems like at that point you don't really have a lot of control, so you can't get yourself out of danger. Like if you're about to crash, especially for a beginner, it's gonna take it longer to react or start going in the direction that you want it to go in when it's about to crash into a wall. So I'm guessing you would probably want this thing on medium rate, mid rates. And if you're already experienced in flying, then you're probably going to want to keep this on third rate all the time. Seems like it's a pretty decent flight time so far. No flashing on the front of the quad there. That little spotlight flashes when the battery's dying. Okay, let's try to do a pass. My son wants to come out here and fly the other Snaptain. I think it's the H823H Plus. He loves that little thing. He hasn't flown this yet. I think he's going to love this one too. And the lights are flashing. I don't know if you guys can see that on film, but I can see it here. And I'm going to see what it's going to do once the battery dies. It looks like it's going down a little, or maybe that was because I was doing that turn there. Wondering if the wind is going to keep it from landing. Oh no, it's landing. It seems to be landing. Oh, it's going back up. Yeah, it's landing. So it's landing on its own. And it flips over every time, it seems like, out here with this wind going and all. So that's it. Pretty awesome little flyer here. I'm surprised at how well this thing flies. The Snaptain SP310 fits right here in the transmitter too, so it's really portable. I like it. Thanks for watching.